So you're thinking about selling on Amazon, right? It can feel huge, like this giant, complicated maze. But here's the thing, what if it wasn't? What if it was actually simple? Well, today we're going to cut through all that noise and give you a straight-up 5-step blueprint to get you started. This quote really hits the nail on the head. So many people just never start. Why? Because they think it's this incredibly complicated thing. And honestly, that feeling, that's the biggest hurdle. The idea that it's some monumental task. But let me tell you a little secret. It's not. The real key, the only key, is just following the right steps in the right order. And that's it. That's why we're boiling it all down to just 5. 5 steps, that's all. Seriously, forget about those 100-point checklists you see online. Forget the endless hours of watching videos with conflicting advice. There are really only 5 essential moves you need to make to go from, hey, I have an idea, to a successful launch on Amazon. Okay, so here's the game plan for this explainer. We're going to start with getting your head in the right space, and then we'll walk through each of those 5 steps. We're talking a lightning-fast setup, how to choose a simple first product, making sure people will actually buy it, finding a supplier, and then the grand finale, launching on the platform. Right, so before we get into the nitty-gritty, the how-to, we gotta start with the right mindset. Look, selling on Amazon isn't about some secret magic formula. It's really just about having a clear blueprint and following it. As soon as you accept that it's simpler than you think it is, you can stop worrying and just focus on executing one little step at a time. All right, step 1, this is all about getting your foundation set up. And get this, you can do it in under an hour. I'm not kidding. This is the stage where so many aspiring sellers get totally stuck for weeks, sometimes even months. But the crazy part is, it's actually the easiest part of the entire process. And just look at how simple this list is. To get your account set up on Amazon Seller Central in Australia, all you need is a government ID, your bank account details, and an ABN. That's an Australian business number. And honestly, even the ABN is just recommended to start, not a hard requirement right away. That's it. That's the whole list. And this right here, this perfectly captures the mental trap everyone falls into. The perception is this mountain of paperwork that's going to take you weeks to climb. But the reality? It's more like a speed bump. It should only take you about 30 to 60 minutes, tops. Please, don't let this tiny first hurdle stop you before you even really begin. Okay, account set up. Now we're at step 2, choosing a simple product. And I gotta be honest with you, this is probably the most critical decision you're gonna make in this whole journey. If you get this part right, everything that comes after it becomes so much easier. So what makes a green light first product? Well, here's what you're looking for. You want something lightweight, because that keeps shipping costs way down. You want to avoid anything with batteries or complex electronics. Trust me, that lets you dodge a ton of paperwork and shipping headaches. Aim for a selling price over $25 to make sure you've got a healthy profit margin. And finally, pick something that isn't seasonal or super fragile. Seriously, simplicity is your best friend here. Now, on the flip side, let's talk red light moves. These are the things to avoid at all costs. Stay away from complicated tech products. Don't chase that trendy junk you see going viral on TikTok for 5 minutes. And for your first product, please don't try to create some complicated bundle. Just start simple, get a win, and then you can get fancy later on. Okay, so you've got an idea for a simple product. It ticks all the boxes, but the big question, the one that keeps you up at night, is how do I know it's actually going to sell? How do I know people will buy it? This is exactly where analysis paralysis kicks in for so many people. But don't worry, there's a really straightforward answer. And that answer is step 3, quickly validate demand. Now listen closely. The goal here is not to find the perfect product. You're not looking for a unicorn. You're just trying to find a good enough product that you know has a market. And you want to do it fast. So when you're browsing around on Amazon, here's what you're looking for. You want to see a handful of sellers all doing pretty well, not just one huge brand dominating everything. And here's a great little tip. Look for listings that are just kind of meh. Average photos, boring descriptions. That's your opportunity. That's where you can do better. You can even use simple tricks like the 999 trick. You just add a competitor's product to your cart and try to change the quantity to 999. Amazon will then tell you how many they have in stock, which gives you a great clue about how much they're selling. And hey, here's a really specific number to keep in your back pocket, the reviews sweet spot. You want to look for products where the main competitors have somewhere between 50 and 300 reviews. So why that range? Well, it's the perfect signal. It proves that people are consistently buying this thing, but the market isn't so crazy saturated that a new seller like you can't break in and compete. So the big takeaway here, stop looking for a unicorn. Seriously, perfection is the enemy of progress. Your goal is just to find a good enough product, check the boxes, validate that it actually sells, and then move on to the next step. All right, so you validated your good enough product idea. Now it's time for step 4, sourcing smart. This is the exciting part. This is where your idea stops being a concept on a screen and starts becoming a real physical product that you can actually hold in your hands and sell. And the sourcing process is a really clear 3-stage thing. First, you're going to find potential suppliers on a site like Alibaba. Second, you'll reach out to a few of them and ask some key questions. And third, once you find a good one to partner with, you'll ask for some small improvements to make the product your own. So what are those key questions? You really only need to know 3 things. What's the price per unit? What's the MOQ? That's the minimum order quantity, just the fewest they'll make for you at once. And what are my options for customization? Getting the answers to those 3 questions will immediately tell you what your profit could be and if that supplier is a good fit. And here is a fantastic pro tip. This is a game changer. Don't just sell the exact same thing as everyone else. Always ask for small improvements. Ask for better packaging, maybe a slight tweak to the design, or a small add-on. This is, without a doubt, the simplest way to make your product different and justify a higher price. Okay, we're almost there. You've validated your idea, you've sourced your product. Now it's time for the final piece of the puzzle. Step 5, the perfect launch. This is how you finally go live on Amazon and start getting those sales rolling in from day one.
So here it is, your launch checklist. Super simple. First, create your product listing, get some great images, a title packed with keywords, then upload it all to Amazon and send your stock into their warehouses. As soon as you're live, turn on a small pay-per-click or PPC ad campaign and run a simple coupon like 5 or 10% off. That combo right there, that's the perfect recipe to kickstart your first sales.
And there you have it. That's the 5-step playbook. Now, let's just take a second to talk about the huge advantage this simple plan gives you and what your path forward looks like from here. Because this is what it all adds up to. 90%. By just following these 5 steps in this exact order, you literally put yourself ahead of 90% of other beginners out there. Think about that. Most people get overwhelmed, they do things out of order, they fail, or they just plain quit. This blueprint, it systematically puts you in the top 10% right from day 1. So, we've broken it all down. The complexity, it's gone. The path forward is crystal clear. You now have the exact blueprint that successful sellers use to get started. So really, there's only one question left to answer, and it's for you. What's your first product going to be?